So for some months now, the reconstruction of Awka-onitsha Express Road was stopped. Nobody knows the reason why they stopped. Maybe they had a little issue with the management, or they did not get paid or something. I don't know. So, but to my greatest surprise, I was passing through this express yesterday, being Friday, and I noticed that they have partially resumed to work. So on Saturday, I decided to go and give it a tour. So when I arrived there, I noticed that it kind of, the reason why I say this partial work is that I'm not sure if what is going on here now is a federal project, or maybe even if it's a federal project, maybe they kind of try to do this one for something. So because where this thing started now is before the Okozo Junction. They started grading the route from Okozo Junction down to before this thing, after the airport, before the, should I say, before Temple Junction. That is where they currently started and stopped the work. So what is going on here is a very, very big grading of road and the rest of them. So I also noticed that maybe the reason why they are doing it is for those that may be using the airport this Xmas period, to be able to run on the tight route, not to experience any heavy gallops. So when I visited there, they were doing a very big or heavy work over here currently, and also they were also doing a kind of marvelous work on that of airport side, which I'll also be showing you the video in my next update. So this is what I saw when I visited this location. So I don't know actually if they are resuming fully to finish up the work, or they are just there to kind of fix this particular portion for those coming back for this Xmas period who will be using the airport. That's what my instinct is just telling me, and that is just it. So just keep on watching the video and see everything for yourself. Don't remember, they started it just after the Okozo Junction, where those motorists used to enter the main tide road currently. So that's where they started it and end it after the airport. So just keep watching the video so you can see everything for yourself. So from these sections that you are watching right now, I'm kind of a little bit confused about what is going on here, because they are pulling down the previously constructed drainage system that was used for the other lane. So I don't know what they want to do there actually, or maybe they want to reconstruct it to suit whatever they want to do currently here. So I don't know actually, but we'll just fold our hand and keep on watching to see what they actually wanted to do there. So the previously constructed drainage system that was there, the one that was attached to the already finished road, they pull it down, and we are waiting to see what they want to do in that angle, or if they want to do another kind of drainage system in that area. So another thing I notice here is that once I see a big company, or this big company constructing road, you will always notice the difference. So there's something that's going on here. If you watch closely here, you can see that they are making a very big hole here, like a kind of very big hole here. So down below is you'll find a kind of should I say erosion or something. So I noticed that maybe the reason why they did this here is that they want to get to the that particular section where they ground this solid before they can start and do their own thing from there. So, and that's the major difference I'm seeing from some of these big companies compared to the other ones. So, and this is where I'm gonna be ending this video, and don't forget to sub to this channel, click on the thumb up button, which is the like button, and don't forget to share. To we will be giving you the update from the the ongoing reconstruction of or a kind of maintenance of the airport road in the same Anambra State. So guys, do have a wonderful day till we'll meet again. Thanks and bye.